Hello my dear student, welcome back to our class. So in previous class I have discussed that is types of shares under equity shares. So equity shares are called as the ordinary shares and these shareholders are having the owners of the company and they are called as the ordinary shares anta karete. And equity shares are also having some of the types of the equity shares. So these are having the some of the types. So in that first one is there equity shares with equal rights, second one equity shares with the differential right and sweat equity share anta karate. So equity share with equal rights is nothing but they are having equal rights under that is voting. So equity shareholders are having the voting right to vote under that is company and also they are called as the owners of the company anta karite. So equal rights tandaga these are the shares are called as the ordinary shares nalli enagtade andra that is one share one vote. This is called as the equity share with equal right. Means one share, how much share they will purchase? They are having that one vote. Means each share, one vote. So that is called as the equity share with the equal right anta karite. And second one is there equity shares with the differential right. Equity share with differential right is nothing but that is in order to control the company, they are making some differential right to some of the equity shares like 2 share 1 vote. If they purchase the 2 shares, they have to give a 1 vote. Either in order to make the 1 vote, they have to purchase the 3 shares. So this like they are making the differential right to the equity shareholders. Means equity shares with equal rights under the ordinary shares, 1 share equal to 1 vote. Next one, equity share with differential right means in order to control the company, they are making the differential right to the some equity shareholders like now if they purchase the 2 shares, they are making differential right like 1 vote, or in order to make the 1 vote, they have to purchase the 3 shares. So ee ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ equity shareholders ಗೆ. They are called equity shares with differential right. And next one is there sweat equity share anta karate. Sweat equity shares are nothing but these are the shares which are issued by the company to its directors or the employees. Sweat equity shares anta ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, these are the shares which are issued by the company to its directors or the employees anta ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ either these shares are issued at a free of cost or at a discount. Free of cost is nothing but other than that consideration in a cash anta karitevi. Next one, discount, if it is having the face value of rupees 10, the company will provide sweat equity share at a discount 7 rupees. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 3 rupees ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 7 rupeesಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ 7 ರೂಪಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗೋದು 10 ರೂಪಿ ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ and these are issued by the company to its directors or the that is employees anta karite. So all these are called as some of the types of the equity shares. And second one type of the that is share is called as the preference shares anta karite. Preference shares are nothing but the first preference is for compensation of dividend. Whenever the company distributes the profits, the dividend is first paid on preference share capital. So preference shareholders are having the differential right anta karitevi. They are having the right to get the dividend. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The first preference is for compensation of dividend. So dividend ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, in case of winding up of the company, the preference shareholders have a prior right in regard to repayments of a capital. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರ, in case of winding up of the company or the liquidation of the company, the preference shareholders have a prior right. ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ, in that prior right in regard to the repayment of the capital. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ, ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಫಾರ್ ರೀಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. And under preference shares, the first preference is given to these shares, and also they are having the right to get the dividend at a fixed rate of dividend. Equity shareholders ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ preference shareholders are having the fixed rate of dividend at the distribution of profit and also the dividend. Okay, so this is a brief meaning of the preference shareholders, and in next class I will discuss some of the types of the preference shareholders. Okay, thank you.